Yeah. Oh. Hybrid solar system. 2000 watt panel, then 4000 watts inverter with a battery bank of 19.2 kilowatt hour has been commissioned now. Wow, this is the breaker for the AC side. We call it AC load center. Then we also have this is the automatic, this is the changeover. We call it bypass switch. At times there might be problem at the inverter side and you want to use your light directly, you can easily come here and change it to NEPA or generator immediately without touching the inverter side. So this is the inverter, and we have this DC load center for solar system. This DC load center comes from the roof, so from the what they call it, solar array, so down to the charge controller. And this is the charge controller, MPPT charge controller, 60 amps, and it's very good, optimizing your energy, battery management, and everything is, in fact, is bam. Wow, we have right here again. This is another DC load center. This is the one that connected the positive side of the inverter to the battery. However, you can see the breaker that is inside here is being measured along with the battery bank. So before we can be able to put this breaker, what is supposed to be drawing on this battery, the backup, supposed to be measured with the breaker. And we have another one, and this one representing the charging point from the charge controller, and is a DC load center as well. So immediately you put it on, the MPPT charge controller will immediately connected to the battery that is ready for charge. That is the essence of this. And in case of any emergency, maybe your inverter is being short circuit, so instead of the system to collapse, the breakers is in charge of that. It will just cut off, and you will not lose your battery, you will not lose your inverter, and again this, you will not lose your solar panel up there. Up there, we also have what we call combiner box. That combiner box, it is the one between the charge controller and the solar panel, because energy that is coming from the solar array, you must recognize each string. Those strings is being recognized by each breaker in case of any incasity, so that if there is any problem, in order for you to make quick audits without doing wasting time or destroying so much panel while you are just removing it or for any other reason, so each panel, each strings will be able to be audit and see what is going on before any other thing might be taken into consideration. That's the essence of combiner box. And this combiner box, that is where we also have what we call lightning arrestor. In case of heavy surge and thunder, the lightning arrestor there will hold it tight. It will push it down, because the whole system is being held. You can see. And we have our earth rod outside there. It's being done properly in order to hold tension or whatsoever. That is it. God bless us.